almost 1 p.m. here, and although it was pretty cool in the morning, the sun is shining pretty bright. Oh my god, again it's shining pretty bright. We are now starting to ride from Jaipur towards Ajmer. We reached Sambhar lake. It's quite a place in the route to Ajmer from Jaipur. We are going to Udaipur, so from Jaipur to go to Udaipur you don't really need to go into these routes, but just for fun thought of doing a bit of off-roading. It adds 50-60 kilometers to your track, but it's quite a nice experience. Sambhar, Salt Lake, there are a few nice cottages outside. Weather conditions are pretty extreme. It is not actually such a training journey from Jaipur to Ajmer. That too, it's a 4-lane highway. But what we did was we went to Sambhar Lake. I heard a lot about it. It was a shooting of PK, I think, and 2 other movies. At first, when we went in, it looked okay. Gradually, as we sat there and the sun started getting down. It was all white all around, and there were flamingos. If you are coming to Ajmer or going to Udaipur from Jaipur, please make sure that you take this alternate route. Take 50-60 odd kilometers. The road is not a highway. What this road offers is it actually gives you a glimpse of remote Rajasthani people that we see wearing pagri, and they are coming from their farmland. So you actually get to see a glimpse of the part of their life. You automatically get into that phase wherein you greet people with Khammagani instead of Namaste. So take that route, you won't regret. It's almost 8:50. It should not take us more than half an hour more to reach to our hotel in Ajmer. We are pretty tired right now, so I'll have my cup of tea and move on from here. Should be reaching by 9 p.m. Ciao. Hi, we left Ajmer early in the morning at around 6 a.m. It's almost 7:45 now that we have covered almost 100 kilometers. We were supposed to go to Udaipur, but we decided to take a bypass once again and go to Chittorgarh Fort. 200 kilometers from Ajmer. Also, we did not stay in Ajmer because I have been to Ajmer before, and I did not really want to go to a crowded place like Ajmer Sharif. Something very interesting about the road that we have been traveling through is you see people in groups traveling together in their bikes. Right? I think they are going to the local marble factories to work as daily laborers. And what's interesting is that because they travel every day, the distance is so huge. They play loud music. They have music system in their bike itself. I might as well put one. There could be rain at any point of time, and that is also one of the reasons why I want to cross the road as early as possible. There is a famous saying in Rajasthan that Rani ho to Padmavati jaisi, Gado mein Gad, Chittorgarh. Leaving for Chittorgarh now. Hopefully it will be just as amazing as we have heard about it.